Hello traders, Caroline Alizan here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, December 21st, 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart as we always do. So let's take a look at our chart. Let's analyze it here a little bit. And as you can see, we had that beautiful bounce off of that low area of support down below where you see that black trend line back on December 19th. And that area right here was at about 54 mark. We beautifully bounced off of it here, trying to go back up to the 200-day moving average, breaking through the 8 moving average, but we never made it here, and we pulled back down again, closing today below the 8 moving average as well as that area of resistance right here, the 55.33 mark. So we are back below not only the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, but also below the 8 moving average again, as well as again below the 55.33. And the other thing that we see here happened was that we beautifully bounced off of that area of support right here, the 54.70 mark, and we closed the day higher. What that means is that we could continue lower to that next area of support down here at about the 53.77 mark, or we could try to push it all the way up to that next area of resistance up here where you see that black trend line. It is at about 56.30. So right now we are trying to form a lower swing high, but we still need that next candlestick down here in terms for us to call it a lower swing high. So pay close attention to that, as well as watch that 200-day moving average really closely, as well as that 54.69 mark tomorrow. And then check this out. Let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is still bearish. We are still below the zero line, as you can see, but we're slowing down a little bit here. The MACD is flat, which means that it's trying to decide which way to go. We could go either way. We could go up or we could go down. So it all depends on what happens on our chart. So watch our candlestick formation right here really closely, and also pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation. And the volume, it is increasing. That is what I like. We are way above the average, as you can see, so I like those spikes in volume. So things are happening in here, but we are in an indecision mode right now. That's what I see at this chart. So again, pay close attention to all areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also look for confirmation of the market. All right, so safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow, and